does generate ideas. Let's give Lee a hand for finding that stuff. Alright? Make sure we, creativity, and again, not operating, with feedback is very important. So it generates a lot of ideas. We've seen that a lot of the team, in the team aspect when we've done 5S, so it's really important. Alright, one thing is I also want to recognize Jason and Nick for stepping up and taking care of videos and the meetings last week. So I want to give them a hand for doing that. So they did a nice job. Thank you. Also, Sloan Valve is going to be here today at 1:30, so we want to make sure we're all set for that. They're going to be doing a tour, going through some HIMMAX and seeing the new plant. Also, IQMS. If you have issues with what's going on with IQMS, we have a consultant going to be here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, okay? So we have some time, and we want to make sure we utilize that time, and also don't forget, we have our end-of-year inventory, so it's critical that we put things away over the next couple of days to make sure it's correctly identified and also put onto the sheets so we transfer it correctly, okay? We want to make sure that happens. Alright, so we're going to talk about the culture at Toyota and how the team building. When we think of an organizational structure, we often think of a hierarchy designed to control individuals and keep them on target, producing the largest quantities of work possible for the least cost. At Toyota, teamwork is about solving problems shared horizontally. The goal of Toyota is setting up the ideal organizational structure to be able to have complete understanding of purpose and objectives of the organization by everyone, especially managers and supervisors. Integrate effectively across functions, divisions, departments, groups, and so on. Organize functional specialists together so they can develop depth, expertise, and standards for their specialty. Have prompt decision-making and smooth flow of information. And meet mid- and long-term business objectives. Toyota strives for a relatively flat organizational structure while still maintaining the right group size for people so people can effectively work together in solving problems. Toyota wants the team members experiencing the problems to be the ones able to solve the problems. It is rude or waste for a team to have to go up a level or two, or to have to go to the maintenance or engineering in order to solve a problem that they have the skills to solve themselves. This is a distinct advantage of the flat organization. Another advantage of flat organization is the flow of information. The fewer levels of information you have to go through, the quicker and more accurately it can be passed on. Alright, let's just talk about passing on information. We've all played the game of telephone sometime in our life. But when everything gets passed on, it gets it gets very opinions of things, yes. And by the time it gets to the end, it's not what we started with, okay? So that's why the less levels we have to go through, the more understanding of the problem the information is. Okay? So this is an improvement of what something bugs someone and actually they just came up with an idea.